As the Christmas holiday season starts to approach, a large number of individuals and families start decorating for Christmas. While just about anything in the home can be decorated, a large amount of focus is placed on the Christmas tree. Since there is a good chance that you may want to purchase a Christmas tree this year, you may be wondering about your decorating options. Perhaps, the most common Christmas decoration used on a Christmas tree is lights. Christmas lights are a small set of lights that tend to be multicolored or white, although different color combinations can be purchased. A large number of Christmas tree owners use Christmas lights to decorate their Christmas trees. What is nice about Christmas lights is that you have options when using them. Depending on the type of Christmas lights you use, if you choose to use them at all, you may be able to set your lights to sing a Christmas tune or flash in a certain pattern. Aside from Christmas lights, Christmas ornaments are another one of the most commonly used Christmas decorations for Christmas trees. Christmas ornaments come in a wide variety of sizes, shapes, and styles. On average, most Christmas ornaments are in the shape of a ball. They are typically colored red, green, silver, or gold. However, many Christmas ball ornaments also come designed with unique messages or Christmas symbols. Christmas ornaments are most commonly hung from Christmas tree branches using ornament hooks, yarn, or thread. Christmas tree toppers are another item that can regularly be found on a Christmas tree. While Christmas tree toppers, like all other Christmas decorations, come in a wide variety of different sizes, shapes, and styles, they are most commonly sold as angels. Despite the fact that most Christmas